Right, I've just rocked up to desolate in northern Lithuania. About to head to somewhere that I have been longing to go to ever since I first found out about it. Now, just got to figure out a way to get there. There isn't a bus going there for at least another hour, so I might opt for a taxi. So let's have a look. Okay, it's just there ahead of me. Wow, I've seen so many pictures of it and several YouTube videos of it, but it's one of those things that you just, until you see it in real life, you don't understand the scale of it. And like, I'm not even up close to it yet, and already, yeah, I'm getting my ass kicked. Damn. Right, come on, let's get closer. Well, damn. Just look at it. Sorry about the noise, this guy trimming the grass, but what I'm thinking now, where the hell do I begin? I think I'm going to start all the way over there and work my way around. Oh my god. Wow. Just look at that. Right, I'll get into the story behind this in a minute. But yeah, I think I'm going to start all the way over there, then work my way through it. But yeah, I mean, it's like a jungle. Look at that one. Right, yeah, I'm going to start over there. Like I've said about 3 times now, I'm working my way through. I keep getting distracted. This is mental. Like I said already, you see all the pictures of it and you see all the footage online, but until you see it up in person, in real life, you have no clue. Wow. Okay, that's the very first cross. This is where it all starts. Wow. Look at it from there as well. So you've got things like this as well. Little shoes. As well as just crosses. Other sort of offerings, you know. I'm going to be here all day. They've never even got into the thick of it yet. Wow, this is incredible.
On what was originally a hill fort that was called Domantai Mound, it is said that crosses started being placed here after the Polish-Russian War in 1831. It is now claimed that in 2025 there are around a staggering 200,000 crosses on this hill. During the Soviet occupation from 1944 to 1990, Lithuania suffered greatly from religious persecution as a part of the promotion of state atheism. So, with that, the Hill of Crosses became a place of Lithuanian resistance and religious expression under Soviet rule.
Right, we're going into the main jungle now, if you want to call it that. Let's go.
For every time the Soviets destroyed this landmark, more crosses were put in their place. The Soviets bulldozed this site at least 3 times and did everything they could to stop people from entering the site, with at one point even threatening to flood the area. But yet, the Lithuanian people, despite risking harsh punishments, would bring new crosses to the site every night, showing opposition to the Soviets and their religious persecution, and also showing strength and resistance, as well as pride and honour.
Okay, this is the top of the hill now. Mental. as I said already in the voiceover, 100,000 crosses. Look at this. Is that actually what it is? I mean, look at this. We know it's got to be more than that. Yeah, this is like one of those I don't want to leave places, you know. Spend hours here. Yeah, sorry I'm not talking much, guys. I'm in awe. Okay, let's go further in.
Finally, after Lithuania's independence in 1991, the Hill of Crosses was clear of any risk of destruction under Soviet rule and became a site of pilgrimage. The Pope John Paul II visited in 1993, expressing its importance and the value it has as a sign of religious resistance.
And you can see over there in the distance, that's the actual monastery, so it is actually a religious site. And yeah, I can see nuns in the background too. So, but wow, look at these. How many times do I have to say that you don't understand the scale of this place until you actually come here? Absolutely unreal. Right, so this is where it ends, and the path leads to the monastery. So the problem I've got is like, which way do I go next? There's several paths, and I just, you know, I want to see it all because I don't want to miss anything. Right, let's go right. So you've got various different styles here. Like, look at this one, just two arms in a V. Put this in here as well. X roots. Oh, I don't know, that's a little relic from something. Got them carved in that sort of style as well. You got these. Hasn't got the head of the cross. And you got the more, you know, the metal ones like this. And there's this one here. So there's no like specific style. It's just whatever kind of crucifix you can think of is put here. You know, Christians of all types, the Orthodox, the Catholics, the Protestants, the whoever, would just come here and, you know, place their crosses here and just keep this religious site alive. Wow. Yeah, I just can't put my camera away. It's just endless filming and photography opportunities. I mean, if you're a photographer, come here. I mean, this is just beautiful. I wouldn't say it's airy. I mean, you would have thought by what you've seen, it's got a sort of airy feel to it, but I wouldn't say that. It's just beautiful. The mixture of all the colours and all the different size crosses and everything else. It's just like you look at it and it just boggles your mind, really. It's just like looking any direction and you're just sort of like captivated with everything what's going on, with all the different sizes of the crosses, the different colours, what's on them, what does it read, and all the rest of it. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been to a place like it. just saw that they were digging a hole, what I assume would be for a new cross. And then they are stood by that big cross in the very middle, reciting something from the Bible, giving like a prayer, and I think after that they're gonna shove it in. So yeah, crosses aren't just put here willy-nilly. They actually come here,
They create it in front of that cross,
and then they shove it in like they're still doing now. So yeah, it's like each cross that's put here is put here with attention and care. So yeah, this really is a lot of emotion in this place, that's for sure. But obviously I can't say that for every cross. I mean, for all I know, someone might have just come along with a crucifix, like these ones here, and just taken off their necks and shoved it on. All these smaller ones here, they might have just left it, put it there and walked off. But those ones over there,
which they're putting into position now.
yeah, like I said, they just did that prayer, well now they're putting it there. So that's 2 new crosses erected in the Hill of Crosses, which I just witnessed. Right, just to pre-warn you, this isn't exactly a quiet place. I mean, I got here around 9:30 in the morning, and there was just like a handful of people there then, but now there is a lot. I mean, just now like a huge horde of people just went past, and yeah, it's now getting busy. So yeah, I'm afraid if you do come here, expect it to be busy. It's not exactly quiet, I'm afraid, but still, it's still worth it, definitely. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, the footage does absolutely no justice, so come to Lithuania and check this place out. I am now gonna go for a little mooch around Shuley, and I will be making a video of it, but only for Patreons and for my channel members. So if you want to see that video, sign up to one of those. But yes, all the same, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, let me know what you think of this place, let me know if you've been here, and let me know if there's any more information I should know about it. Right then folks, I'll see you at the next video. Thank you.